Okay, so this is our Samsung Wooble washing machine, and yeah, as you can see, the spin dryer is now operating, and it will take about 6 minutes, okay, to finish the spinning of the clothes. Okay, you can listen to that sound when it spins. It might be, very loud sometimes, but it's just normal. Okay, so you just need to wait for it and don't turn it off. Alright, so let's wait for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's now down to 2 minutes and it keeps on spinning. Okay, please hear that sound, it's normal. Alright, so you just need to wait and see what would happen after that 2 minutes. Oh, sorry. Alright, so it's down to 1 minute, and if you could see, it slows down a bit. Okay, alright, okay, and you will see how it would stop. Okay, there. Okay, so now it stops. There. When it's down to 0, you'll hear that sound. Mean to say, you could go ahead, check it out. Alright, so you could just simply open this. Alright, and there. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's not that dry, okay, but if you're not satisfied yet, you could just simply turn it on, okay, and push on the spin button. So whatever you prefer, you could just select 1 or 2 spins maybe, so whichever you prefer. Okay, so there. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you.